Hello, agriculture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of farming and agriculture. Today, we're exploring the poultry industry in Africa, with a specific focus on Nigeria. Did you know that Africa is home to approximately 1.5 billion poultry birds? Poultry farming is a vital component of the continent's agricultural sector, contributing 10 to 15% to the agricultural GDP. Now, let's zoom in on Nigeria, where the poultry industry is particularly vibrant. With an estimated 180 million poultry birds, Nigeria boasts a poultry sector that accounts for a whopping 25% of the country's agricultural GDP. Nigeria produces around 3.5 million metric tons of poultry meat and 7.3 billion eggs every year. This production volume underscores the significance of poultry farming in meeting the country's protein needs and driving economic growth. The industry provides livelihoods to approximately 1.5 million people across the value chain, from farmers and processors to marketers and distributors. However, there are challenges faced by the industry in Africa and Nigeria, such as disease outbreaks, inadequate infrastructure, and high production costs. Importation of poultry products poses a threat to domestic producers as well, but these players adapt and innovate to meet these challenges head-on while ensuring quality production and meeting consumer demands sustainably. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this video has been informative and enlightening for you. Remember, farming is not just about growing crops, but also about building communities and empowering lives through sustainable growth strategies like those employed by these large Nigerian firms mentioned earlier in this video. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on agriculture and farming in Africa. Until next time, happy farming.